Hello, today we're going to look at bar graphs and pie charts. This first example is a bar graph. So here we're looking at your favorite superheroes and how many people listed those superheroes. So you'll notice along the bottom we have the superhero title, and along the side we have the people. From there, make sure you label each of your bars, and in the bars, height corresponds to their frequency. Here's another example of a bar graph, but this one is slightly different. You have your primary thing that you're looking at, which is the gaming system, which are your main titles along here. But then, for each one, we're also looking at the ages, whether they're under 25 or over 30, so we can compare the age groups and the systems. Here we have a pie chart, and this is actually representing the same data as the first example. Now for this, we do need the total. There's 105 total, so you're going to have to find the percent for each. So if you go 35 over 105, you will get 33% for Deadpool, 24% for Batman, and so on. 19% for Spider-Man, 14% for Wonder Woman, and 10% for Iron Man. Now, often in this course, I don't typically ask you to create the bar graph or the pie graph. I usually ask you to interpret it. Because in real life, you're usually just going to use something like Excel to create these bar graphs. You don't usually complete them by hand. So here I've got a bar graph on favorite foods, and it also compares people under 30 and over 30 for each food. Now, one thing you're going to need to do is add up all the bars to figure out how many people in each group. This one, there's 100 people that were surveyed that were under 30, and 105 over 30 for a total of 205 people. And all I did was added up 40 for the first bar, 15 for the second bar, and so on for all the blue bars to give me the 100, and same for the orange to give me all the 105. Now the first question asks what percentage of people over 30 listed their favorite food as pizza. So we're looking at 30 and we're looking at over 30. So we're looking at the orange bar of the pizza, which is 35 out of the total of 105 people that we surveyed that were over 30, and this gives us 33.3%. Next, we're looking at what percentage of people under 30 listed hamburgers. So now we're looking at under 30, which is the blue bars, and we're asking hamburgers. So we're looking at this one. So here we have 25 out of the 100 to give us 25%. Now lastly, for the third question, what percentage of people listed the burrito? Now here, we don't care about the age. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up the two bars. So 20 plus 25 is 45. And then you're going to divide by the total of 205. And this gives you 22.0%. Here we have a pie chart. And I have two questions here. I want to know how many people answered the survey with Super Mario. Well, we have 20% of people answered Super Mario. So we take our 20%, turn it into a decimal, and then we're going to times it by the 250 people surveyed, and this gives us an answer of 50 people that answered the survey with the Super Mario. Similarly, for Minecraft, we look at this 30%, so we take 30% of the 250, and this gives us 75 people.